I've always liked Yfood drinks because one, they're incredibly handy, two, they're a complete meal in a bottle, and three, Yfood are always experimenting with great flavours. I'm also a massive fan of peanut butter flavoured things. So, when Yfood brought out their Funky Peanut flavour, I thought, I'm in. The question is it any good? Let's find out. Welcome to my channel where I taste and review complete nutrition products, also known as meal replacement products in some places. Now, these can be in the forms of shakes that you make up with water, ready to drink, bars, or even gummies. Today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new flavour in the ready to drink range from Yfood. Now, if you like this video, do me the favour and smash that like. Hit that subscribe button, toggle that notification bell so you know when I go live with videos like this. So if you're new to complete nutritional products, let's just be very clear what they are and what they are not. These products are not diet drinks, okay? They're not protein shakes aimed at bodybuilders and stuff like that. They are products that offer complete nutrition, hence complete nutritional products. Now, what do we mean by that? Basically, something like this. This drink contains all the vitamins, minerals, macro and micronutrients your body needs in a handy, ready-made drink. Perfect for breakfast or lunch. It's scientifically formulated so you know that you're getting the perfect combination of carbs, proteins, minerals and nutrients in a super quick form. Many of us have busy lifestyles, or we're just too busy, or like me, lazy to make sure I'm preparing the best possible food to give me the perfect combination of carbs and proteins, fat and fibre and minerals, and eating enough avocados and all of that. That takes effort to prepare yourself. And then skipping lunch because you're busy, then snacking on unhealthy things later is just, well, not healthy. I was a kind of meal deal kind of guy before I discovered these sort of products like this. You know, you get a sandwich, a packet of crisps, maybe a fizzy drink to go, all for a bargain meal deal price. But for the last 4 years, I've been using complete nutritional products like Yfood as part of my overall lifestyle because I know it contains everything your body needs, but in the perfect quantities. Now, I don't have it every single meal. They're just for kind of lunch or occasional breakfast now and then. And then I have an ordinary evening meal, say, to complement it. Or sometimes I have a special kind of hot and savoury meal replacement type product. Well, not really a meal replacement type product. It is a meal, a hot and savoury complete nutritional product in the evening. Now, in the cases of these drinks, you're getting all the 26 essential vitamins and minerals, you're getting complex carbohydrates, you're getting your protein, you're getting your fat, you're getting your fibre. And also, for reference, these drinks are lactose-free, gluten-free, and they're vegetarian. So, what is in Yfood? Well, as I say, Yfood is complete. It's a complete meal. It's a ready-to-drink meal that contains everything your body needs, as I mentioned. 26 vitamins and minerals. You've got your essential omega fatty acids in there. It's high in protein and you've got your essential fibre. Now, Yfood claim, so their claim is that our ready to drink meal is the result of intensive research work by renowned food technologists combined with complex manufacturing processes. With each 500 calorie serving, a Yfood drink covers a quarter of your daily energy requirements, say based on an average adult needing 2,000 calories per day. So one 500 ml serving of this is going to provide you with 34 grams of protein, which is pretty good, which is 68% of your daily protein needs. Generally, it's considered we don't get enough protein in our diet, so these are great for that. Plus the 26 vitamins and minerals that make the drink a kind of genuine all-rounder. You're getting fibre from the oats. Obviously, fibre is a really important part of your healthy diet. And within this drink, this 500 ml drink, you're getting 7.5 grams of dietary fibre. And they source that from gluten-free oats. It's purely plant-based, hardly have any calories in those oats, and it contains neither any fat nor sugar. Gluten-free oat fibre is an integral part of their drinks. So those that are looking for gluten-free things. Also, the drink naturally contains fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E and K, and then water-soluble vitamins like riboflavin and B12, as well as chloride, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus. And then during the actual production process, the drinks are then enriched with additional vitamins and minerals. So, as I said, with each 500 ml serving, so one of these drinks here, you're getting around 25% of that daily micronutrient need that an average adult requires. You can check the Yfood site for more details on the ingredients and the nutrient makeup of the Yfood and all those sort of things. Now, the thing I've always liked about Yfood drink is that they're always experimenting with really great flavours. Previously, you may have seen one of the videos I did before. If not, check it out. I did a review of their limited edition lassi style drink. So it was a lassi drink, and they did one in strawberry and one in mango. And the mango one, they were both really nice, but the mango one was absolutely chef's kiss. They already do flavours in alpine chocolate, smooth vanilla, fresh berry, cold brew coffee, happy coconut, and now this limited edition funky peanut, ladies and gentlemen, funky peanut. So, as a fan of all things peanut butter, let's just get on and give this baby a taste. Okay, so here we go, the funky peanut, the funky peanut flavour. This is the 500 ml size drink and represents 500 calories. Let's give it a go, give it a shake. I've been so looking forward to this. They've been sitting there on the side for a while and I've had to wait because I like to do first impressions. And so it's been waiting to find a time to film it. So there we go. Yeah, oh, that's nice. You're getting that kind of peanut butter, almost a Reese's, which sort of less the chocolate kind of element to it. Oh, strong peanut butter flavour there coming through. Oh, that's nice. It's got a nice sweetness to it. It's like, yeah, it's almost a hint of the Reese's sort of peanut butter cup to it. Obviously, less the chocolate. It's sweet. Oh, that's very nice. If you're a fan of peanut butter and you sort of like the sort of slightly more sweet peanut butter flavors and tastes, you're in. That feels like one of those sort of cool, funky, unhealthy shakes that you might get, but it's not. It's a complete meal in one with all your nutritional requirements and minerals that your body needs, etc., in a complete meal. That's the wonder of it. It tastes great. Love it. Another winner. Yfood are always so good at bringing out really interesting flavors, as I said before, and this is another winner. I'm not sure this is limited edition or it's going to be a permanent flavor, but let's hope it's permanent because it's a nice one. Full marks for that, full marks. If you're not a fan of sort of the sweet peanut butter and stuff, you might not like it so much, I'd say, but for me, it's on the money. Really nice. Funky peanut. Well done, Yfood. So I really like that, although in consideration, it is quite sweet. And I think if you chilled it down, some of that sweetness goes down, which is quite good. The great thing about Yfood, if you are new to all of this sort of meal replacement product stuff, is that they offer taster packs, which give you a sense of what it's all about. Now, the taster pack that Yfood does has 5 flavours and is £17.95. Many other companies that do complete nutritional products require you to sort of spend nearly 50 quid on bags of the kind of powder or something like that, or 2 lots of the drink. And there's no guarantee you're actually going to like them. And that's why I like the fact that Yfood do a taster product, because it's a great way to, at least, you know, for less than 20 quid, to give it a go, see which flavour you like, without sort of risking 50 quid and then ending up with a load of product that you actually don't like or you can't stomach. So a taster pack is a good way to try these products, in my opinion. So good work, Yfood, for all of that. Now, in terms of price-wise, these 500ml drinks, you get 6 bottles for £20.94 as a single order. If you choose to subscribe and get them regularly, you'll get an additional 15% of that. Now, the great thing is also that they have a long shelf life and they don't need to be refrigerated, which is perfect for having them on the go, throwing them in a bag, going on a journey, all of those sort of things. And right now, for a limited number of orders, you can get a discount if you use my code, which is in the description below, but it's Clive10. Use the discount code Clive10 and you'll get 10% discount on your orders as well, your first order. Anyway, I hope you found that useful. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, do me a massive favor. Please, please hit the likes because I like it. YouTube likes it and it helps people like you find product like this. And if you are new here, hey, do me the honor, hit that subscribe button, toggle that notification bell so you know when I go live with videos like this. Hey, thank you for spending your time with me and I look forward to seeing you around very, very soon. Thank you.